A broken cart, one brave girl, a big dream. Hi, I'm Liam. Welcome to Fluent Mate. Today we hear a story called The Little Cafe with a Big Secret. Stay with me for 5 minutes. You'll learn 5 useful words and practice shadowing to speak better English. First, the story. Next, clear vocabulary. Finally, slow shadowing. Repeat after me. Quick question. Where are you watching from? Tell me your country in the comments below. Part 1. The Dream. Ruby lived in a small seaside town. She loved food. She loved the smell of fresh bread. Ruby had one big dream. She wanted a small cafe by the harbor. But she had no money. Her father was a fisherman. He worked long nights on the sea. Her mother sold vegetables at the market. Still, money was not enough. Part 2. The First Step. One day, Ruby walked by the harbor. She saw tourists looking for food. She had an idea. She asked Mrs. Green, the shop owner, for small supplies. Mrs. Green said, "1 week. Prove you can sell." Ruby worked all night. She made simple sandwiches. At first, the sandwiches were not perfect. One tourist said, "It's okay." Ruby felt broken. She did not give up. Part 3. The Struggle. She learned small changes. She toasted the bread. She added herbs. Slowly, people came back. They smiled, and they talked. Ruby saved a small profit each week. After 2 months, she had enough to buy a small food cart. She painted the cart blue and white, the colors of the sea. People loved her smile. They loved the food. Nice work following the story. Keep listening. Vocabulary and practice are coming soon. Part 4. The Storm. One night, a strong storm came. Waves beat the shore. Heavy rain flooded the road. The cart was ruined. All her supplies were gone. Ruby felt broken. She thought, maybe this is the end. Then, some of the people in her town came to help. Mrs. Green brought warm tea. A fisherman offered spare wood. Neighbors gave some money and helped rebuild the cart. Ruby worked day and night to fix the cart. If this part inspired you, tap the like button. It really helps. Part 5. From Cart to Café. The new cart looked brighter than before. It smelled of fresh bread and warm coffee. People came for the food and for Ruby's warm smile. Ruby's cart grew into a small cafe. She called it Ruby's Harbor Cafe. The cafe became a place of comfort and hope. What can we learn from Ruby? First, small steps matter. Second, practice and care make your work better. Third, community helps when you try. Now let's learn 5 important words from the story. Listen, then repeat with me. Seaside, the land by the sea. Example, they walked along the seaside. Cart, a small vehicle for selling food. Example, she bought a small food cart. Supply, food or items you need to run a business. Example, she lost all her supplies in the storm. Effort, the hard work you put into something. Example, her effort changed her life. Hope, belief that good things can happen. Example, small wins gave her hope. Now we will practice shadowing. I will read each line. After that, you repeat. Ready? I had one small dream. She painted the cart blue and white, the colors of the sea. The storm destroyed the cart. Small steps become big results. She saved a small profit each week. Great job! If you want more practice, Pause the video and repeat these lines 2 more times. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Ruby had a dream, faced many problems, but never gave up. And because of her hard work, the little cafe found hope again. If you enjoyed Ruby's story, please like this video, it helps us make more. Practice the shadowing lines again, try them out loud. If you want more stories like this, subscribe and hit the bell. I'm Liam, keep practicing. See you next time. Bye!